Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set your Outlook mobile signature for both iOS and Android. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to tap on your Microsoft Outlook app to open it. Once the app launches and your email has fully loaded, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice the Outlook icon there. Go ahead and tap on this icon to access your Outlook settings menu. When you tap the icon, a menu will slide in from the left side of your screen. From here, look for the gear icon, which represents your settings. Tap on this gear icon and it will take you directly to the Outlook settings page. This is where you can customize various aspects of your email experience and adjust how Outlook behaves on your mobile device. Now, within the settings menu, you'll prominently see an option labeled Signature. This is exactly what we need to configure your mobile email signature. Tap on the signature option to open the signature creation window. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be able to design and customize how you want your emails to end. In the signature composition window, simply type in the signature you wish to use for your emails. You might want to include your name, job title, contact information, or any other professional details you'd like recipients to see at the end of every email you send. Notice there's also a formatting toolbar at the bottom of this composition window. This toolbar allows you to style your signature by changing fonts, adding bold or italic text, adjusting colors, or even inserting links if needed. Take your time here to make your signature look exactly how you want it. Once you've finished creating and configuring your signature to your satisfaction, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a check button there. Tap on this check button to save all your changes. This action will set your new signature for your Outlook account on both iOS and Android devices, ensuring consistency across all your mobile platforms. And that's it, you've successfully created and set your Outlook mobile signature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.